Gold, a color that has been worshipped and used historically in art. Using gold in my work references the masters who came before me. Its warm sheen and glow and bright color is a reminder of worth, not of monetary value, but of sacred value in self and belief. Make sure to use the proper size in your work. I tend to use 24 karat gold in most of my work, be it from water-based or oil sizing. Just remember what to use. Go mad in your creative alchemy, and always, always remember to know your value and your very own worth.